Hi, thanks for stopping by. This is Greg again with 31 Events in CalendarSnack. You can see I'm in a snack right now. I've generated this snack by going to my own calendar, and I copied create at CalendarSnack.com off a Google or Outlook calendar, and you can get a calendar snack. In this case here, I've created the event. I've sent the event using the MailChimp landing page or web form embed codes. And right here I'm in the reporting engine. You'll see that actively I'm still promoting my event. And I'm using the web form, MailChimp, and landing pages to do so. When I use our code here, it actually allows me to track the calendar invitations. And mean by track is I'm actually tracking them using our technology, which is, excuse the mess there, right here. I'm actually using the reporting engine on the back. And the reporting engine is called our count engine. It's right here. So here I go. I'm going to use a landing page. I'm going to review a landing page live, and that's here. So every calendar snack we give you for free includes a landing page ready to rock and roll. It's a hard URL, meaning that this landing page is dedicated for signups for your customers to receive a calendar invitation, which we're tracking on the back right here under count. We're tracking this landing page right here, and when we send the calendar invitations out, when people reply to them, yes, no, maybe, or no action, or not interested, they say no. We track all that on the back end. So let me do one live here for you before I get lost in all these tabs. I apologize for. I believe we have not sent one to, let's just pick one out of my user pool. Let's try Fred at TechVader. Okay, so Fred is going to get a calendar invitation for this event. Excuse me. At techvader.com. So Fred at TechVader, I'm going to click yes. It shows up with a little spinning wheel. It says an invitation's been sent to Fred at techvader.com. Go check your inbox. So I'm going to take on the persona of Fred. This here's Bob. I'm going to do a switch here. You see that Fred's right here. I'm going to Fred, and there it is right there. Fred just received a calendar invitation on the behalf of this event, and Fred, you'll see here, Fred at techvader.com is going to say yes. And I'm going back here to the count engine, our technology for the single snack. You see that Fred's not showing up yet. I'm going to refresh the screen, and you'll see under the counter that Fred is in here somewhere, and there he is right here. So Fred said yes to this event overall. Pretty cool. Thanks for stopping by, and that's it on landing page.